Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section, do not go to the notifications and status bar. Usually those options are located right there. All we have to do is to find the battery. So let's tap on it and here tap on the battery percentage option. As you can see in this device, we've got three different options. So next to the battery icon, which is currently applied in my case, do not show, so you will have only the battery indicator, or inside the battery icon, so the percentage will be displayed inside and it will be much smaller than in the option next to the battery icon. So of course choose the option which is the most comfortable for you and the most visible for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.